about 400 miles on the clock. We're here at the Burrito Chop Shop, Hagerstown.
But I'm about to fart again. It's just so bad. Oh my god, it looks like shit. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a brand new Prius in the shop. My god, Max, the owner. Max, tell me about this car. Oh my pop. Man, just let all those Americans. Whoa.
What we got here is a fine piece of Japanese.
God damn, look at this son of a gun. Not even dirty yet, man. Max, what are we doing today?
We got about 400 miles on the clock. We're here at the Burrito Chop Shop, Hagerstown location. I'm out here. We got the Silvers Neo Max coilovers about to go on this puppy right here. Straight from the dealer. I tell you what, man, I work over there. He's Subaru Hagerstown. Got this car just about a week ago.
Hey, God damn, but my boy Max purchased a 2022 Subaru BRZ. It's super nice. Way nicer than the two cars. Okay, hold on, let me relax. We're about to rotary swap Samantha. But, hold on, put her in reverse, Terry. But I haven't actually seen one of these cars in person. I've never sat in one until today, and I can tell you that the interior is light years ahead of like the 2017s, 2018, 2019, whatever you want to call it. They're super nice, and we're actually gonna do coilovers on it today. And we're actually, we're just trying to set a world record today, ladies and gentlemen. And just see what happens. We got 5 people here and only 4 wheels, so that means we are 2 banging 1 wheel. Time is now
8:21, baby.
8:21. All right, we're gonna get back to you tomorrow when we actually start this. So hey, hit that subscribe button, bang that like button, and let's just get into it today, ladies and gentlemen. Max.
All right, let's get this baby in here.
Max, are we frame banging?
Frame banging.
I'm trying to sell Max all my parts from both my cars. Look at this, clean engine bay, something we don't ever see on my cars. It is what it is, but it's so nice. Like, it's just so wild. Like I said, only 400 miles, super clean, and everything's pretty much set up exactly the same as, everything's set up pretty much exactly the same as like the other ones. Maybe Max will let me take it for a POV sometime soon.
Indeed will. I will be happy to. It would be my distinct pleasure.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing it again! I drove Max's M2 that he sold, but I mean, in my opinion, not a bad trade-off.
I don't think so, man. I think it's a great trade deal. You get wrapped up and spend all this money just to look like you got a small pecker when you already got a small pecker, and then you just turn around and you buy a car that's better for less. And there are parts for these cars all around the world, literally, like everywhere. So that's the great thing about it. Like, he was able to get coilovers for this like pretty quick. Like you said, we're doing the silver coilovers, so I'll let you guys see how this install goes. First coilover out, super easy, and it's way better since it's a new car, so we don't have to worry about any bolts being like all nasty and grimy. Let me come over here. I had started on this side, came over to the other side to help with Max. But yeah, and it's pretty much almost out. I'm just gonna get this. We have our end link out and the top hat, and we'll have those out. And it's actually super nice. But again, everyone knows that you got this one, so you put a wrench on that, get an Allen, and then you can undo that. And it's the same thing on the bottom for the end link. It can just be super hard, like trying to get to the one on the bottom, because it's on the bottom, it's like facing the car. So that's the only tough part, but we'll get to that when we do the end links. And then I think the rears should be, yeah. Rears are exactly the same. Blast that one off, and that's pretty much it. Coilovers on these cars are so easy, super easy. Any VW, Audi, or BMW car that I've ever touched, ever. And I wish I would have done it sooner.
All right, 30 minutes, got them all out. I mean, honestly, realistically, if we account for the time of joking and talking, realistically, it's like 20 minutes. Just like 20 minutes.
Stopping for today, we'll pick this back up tomorrow.
All right, close it out. Good night. Yeah, we got them all out. I'm telling you, man. Doing this on a new car is way easier than it is on like an old car, because it's not even an old car, but a car that's just been driven. Because this is so easy, everything just comes right out. Like the rears, if you've done the rears before, but like just pop right out.
Do you even know what you're doing?
Not at all. Wait a minute.
Where'd she go?
Set your preload and then this up. Dude, it scared the shit out of me. I was like, yo, who the fuck is opening the garage door? Oh my god.
Yeah, so we got them air fronts on there. We're working on the back. What's going on, Carl?
Bro, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm about to fart again. It's just like so bad.
Yeah, this man sent me into another dimension with the shit that he just laid down.
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
So I'm gonna evacuate here.
Master God is working hard. Do not let that rip. Hold it. Go.
I got cramp! Dude, I get these cramps in my hand, and it's like my fingers starting to close. All right. Oh my. Oh shit! I saw the wheel and I didn't know it wasn't bolted all the way down. For a second, I was like, oh my god, look at
That is
that!
a lot
I
of
was like, look at all that camera. I was like, oh my god. Oh man, so now we're putting the wheels back on and we're gonna check my work. I actually think I got everything lined up pretty good. The only thing that's kind of weird about these coilovers that I'm not used to, like with BC, is these coilovers, the preload was not set at all. So
We're gonna see if it rises.
we're just gonna see what happens. You know, I did the best that I could with the knowledge that I have. And you know, we're just gonna see what happens. I mean, but it looks like fitment's actually gonna be pretty good, like height-wise. I mean, he still got stock wheels until he replaces them. But it looks like it'll come out like pretty good, you know, cleared up a little bit. And even in the rear, I think the rears might actually be a little lower than the front. But we'll see how it looks. But, you know, I mean, it all looks pretty even all the way around for the most part. I don't know how that wheel's not on. But it looks pretty even, so we'll see what happens when we lower it. Not really sure, but we'll see what happens. Put her down, put her down, put her down, put her down.
Y'all gotta undo the locks.
I don't know how to do that. The chop shop could not afford these.
Yeah, this I'll show you.
You're right
Hold
there.
that.
Is the down button the one that says up?
Yeah, don't do it yet though.
Alright.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh my god, it looks like shit. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, all right. This actually looks pretty tucking in the rear a little bit. Probably gotta raise God damn. Good God. Good damn. Are you aired out? Jeez. Yeah, it actually looks pretty good in the rear. Yeah, but the front. I mean, honestly, the front's probably like your front. Hello, Rusty.
You know what we got going on here? You got that Carolina lead.
Yes, sir. Dude, I mean, it looks good. I mean,
Kind of slam.
yeah. Definitely gotta.
Yeah, we want to get your driver.
Yeah.
No.
We can raise it up real quick. Okay.
God damn.
Ah. Laid an egg, yeah. But we all agree, raise the rear up a little bit, maybe like a quarter of an inch. Or no, actually, gotta raise it. Gotta raise it probably like about an inch in the rear on both sides, and then that's pretty much it. It'll be good. What?
I need a more load.
Yeah, okay.
I need a
You
shit.
wanted more load until his fucking axle snapped.
Not my ass, I don't care.
Okay. It's been about 5-10 minutes. Raised both sides. I had them before at like, I want to say 12 threads. I raised them both to 20. So that's about, I think it's like 1.5 or 3/4. So we'll see how it looks now. If it's not perfect, we're gonna lift this fucker back up. And we're not going home. We're gonna, if it's not where we want it, we're lifting it back up and I'll raise it up a little bit more. But I feel like this should be good, but we'll see how it looks.
Yes, sir. We preliminarily set the dampening too. We went all the way hard because we go hard. Insert Waka Flocka there.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna leave it to the editor here.
Yeah.
But all the way hard back,
Yeah.
What do we do, 6 clicks on the front?
Six.
4 clicks
You
on the
can't
rear.
go hard right in at the beginning, or else you're gonna like use all of it right. You're gonna use all your stamina right at the beginning. So
You
you're
gotta
gonna start
balance
a little
yourself
click
out.
down from hard.
Yeah.
That way,
Way up.
when you come in the end game, start scheming out, you're getting hard there. Car's prep, it's handled well, everything's going slick. You know what I'm saying?
This car's handling is gonna be some shit. Okay, about to lower it. I can already say, I believe the rear is gonna be like a 1/4 of an inch higher or lower than the front, but we'll see. But I don't know, we'll see. Oh, now this looks pretty good. Okay, all right. Like I said, rear's definitely lower than the front by like a 1/4 inch. Yeah, it actually looks pretty good now. Yeah, so
Raise her up a little bit and go on that.
that's fine. Yeah.
Show me the diamond wheel space.
Yeah, I remember. I came for that. All right, I'm finally done. Everything has been adjusted. I adjusted everything. But look at the amount of camber you get. Just
Yeah, she's all torqued up too, baby.
look at the amount of camber. You'd almost think the wheel's just not put on right. All right, let's back this thing out. Yeah, we're gonna find out. Let's back it out. Oh my God, the interior on this car is actually like sick. Like I actually love this interior. I mean, it's very simple, but it looks good and everything feels really good. And the doors, if you have one of these cars, you know, the cup holders in the doors absolutely suck, but this is way better. It's way more comfortable. And then the center console, you got the cups here. This is a good car. Now let's go ahead and hold on. Let's go ahead and here and get us a startup, clutch in, and we're gonna just. Oh yeah. Oh. This is such a nice car. It really is a nice car. Jeez.